Right. Yeah, I think in accounting for sameness, you kind of have a distinction that maps maybe onto the weak and strong conceivability. You've got a weak conception of sameness, and you have a strong conception of sameness. The stronger conception of sameness is if something remains the same thing through time. We philosophers think of this as numerical identity, and you have to have the numerically same thing persisting through time in order to have genuine sameness through time. Animals probably, I would think, would go to more of a weaker conception of sameness, and they would look for something like bodily continuity, where you can actually have the parts of the body being switched out, replenished, replaced, lost. And it's the same animal body because there's some type of continuity in the replacement of the parts. The question is, well, what accounts for that ability to replenish parts in an orderly fashion so that there is this type of continuity? I think animals would typically appeal to something like a life, something like this. But then the question is going to have to be asked, well, what's the principle of sameness for a life? That the life supposedly is the same life across time, through time, and it's the appeal to the life that is the organizing principle for the human body that will govern the replacement of the parts. So, and I'd like to know is, well, what is the same life? How does one account for the sameness of the life? If one goes at that point to a strong conception of sameness, it's the numerically same life throughout the period of the time, the life of the organism. It seems to me you're, at that point, becoming a substance dualist in the sense that you're invoking a strong conception of sameness. And if you want to talk, the animalist wants to talk about a strong conception of a same life, well then it seems that we're really getting close to the idea of a numerically same soul that persists through time.